This is a star-studded collaboration.
Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. My name is Muhammad Syahmi bin Muhammad Aziz. My metric number is H16B0165. I'm from SAH. Now, I would like to present about my industry training at Sushi King Mahkota Parade. There are 5 parts that I want to present, which is the first one is introduction, the second one the problem challenge, and the third one is the solution, the fourth result, and the last one is conclusion. Alright, for introduction, do you know Sushi King is one of the Texchem Group company? The specific place that I go for internship is at Sushi King Mahkota Parade in Malacca. During the pandemic COVID-19 in Malaysia, I was asked from my university to make one case study for my company Sushi King. For this case study, I have interviewed my manager, which is Izzuddin Akmal, for a certain question. Since 18th of March 2020, customer cannot go to dine in at Sushi King. So, the only way for a customer to eat Sushi King is only for takeaway and also via food delivery such as Foodpanda and GrabFood. The main problem is the company need to cut costs for the part-time worker and only ask for the full-time worker, which is a permanent worker, to work at the outlet. Even I only get 1 month to intern at Sushi King, I've learned a lot of things during my time. The only way Sushi King have to improve or to increase their sale is by food delivery. So, Sushi King need to make a more discount and offer, especially in the social media, to make customer can buy it. Besides that, Sushi King also need to improve in terms of their order, like menu and also promotion that can include all in the website of Sushi King and also in their social media. Once the government give customer to dine in the restaurant, Sushi King need to follow all the SOP, standard operation procedure, such as wearing a face mask, use hand sanitizer, and practice social distance at least for 1 meter. As a result, Sushi King have to work hard and make a post-mortem with all the management and all the leaders on how to sustain their business. As a result, many restaurants and fast food have been closed during the MCO. Besides that, person in charge of the restaurant need to scan their temperature for any customer that want to enter the restaurant, or else government have provide MySejahtera and they need to scan the QR code before enter to the restaurant. I cannot deny all the business are slowed down. In terms of strategy, Sushi King headquarters need to find a very good solution to increase again their daily sale, especially in weekend, because Sushi King in Mahkota Parade have many customers in weekend. Lastly, I hope I can learn more in this industry because I love work or internship in Sushi King. Last but not least, I would like to thank to my University Malaysia Kelantan, my lecturer from FHPK, my supervisor for internship, and all the crew at Sushi King.